Alright guys, this is how you use your AirTag with the AirTag Loop. Now it's pretty simple. So first you're just going, and if you want to connect your AirTag to your iPhone and press above, but yeah, for the loop, you're just going to bring that up like that and just put the loop in, or rather put the AirTag in right there. Alright, so you're not connecting this part yet. Do not connect this yet. You're going to get your backpack or whatever you're putting this on and bring that part under. Now the first time you might have to bend this a bit, but yeah, you're going to bring it down to over here. So right there, and bring this part down, and then put this under, and this side under. Okay, so now this part is underneath there. If you guys see that. Not completely, but like the top half of it. And you're just going to push down. Now it might be a bit tough the first time, so just kind of, you might have to move this down a bit, but yeah, it should snap in. And if you want to disconnect it, of course you just bring this part up. And yeah guys, all there is to it. So hopefully this helped out.